Big blow to India's Paytm. Paytm slapped with restrictions. Yes, your Paytm usage is impacted. Non-compliance lands Paytm in soup. End of the road for Paytm payments. How does this affect your life? India Today breaks it down.
So if you've been wondering how the latest restrictions on Paytm has a deep impact on your life and the manner in which you use Paytm, then you have to watch this report. This is a special segment on Paytm and how your life changes from here on. I'm Sneha Mordani. Our top focus is Paytm, and this is our top report. Non-compliance lands Paytm in soup. What happened here was this. RBI imposed certain restrictions on Paytm payments, Bank of India, which will bar the platform from onboarding new customer and limit existing customers from sending or receiving money from their savings accounts after the 29th of February. How does this affect your life? We decode.
It's India's omnipresent payments platform, a fintech giant that's a part of nearly everyone's life. From street vendors to glitzy malls, the familiar Paytm sign is a common sight at establishments big and small across the country. But now, Paytm has just been slapped with a slew of big restrictions. The Reserve Bank of India has barred Paytm Payments Bank from onboarding new customers and limit existing customers from sending or receiving money from their savings account after February 29. The regulatory action is a response to persistent issues identified in the bank's operations as detailed in the audit report by the central bank. After February 29, existing Paytm users will be unable to use credit, make deposits, fund transfers, UPI transactions, FASTag toll payments, bill payments and wallet usage. Paytm says that the new move by the Reserve Bank of India does not affect the existing deposits or balance that users have in their saving accounts, Paytm wallets, Paytm FASTags or mobility transit cards. Users can continue to use this balance event after February 29. Paytm Payments Bank currently hosts over 330 million wallet accounts and has 100 million monthly transacting users. It saw a nearly 20% collapse at the stock market soon as restrictions were announced.
I think it's the same thing. They have grown too fast. Well, I'm not talking Paytm in particular, most of the startups, especially where it is a very highly regulated industry, not like, Zomato or, the Nykas where there is no regulation. Finance is highly regulated, and it's possible that in the path to growing very fast, you might have not had perfect systems or compliances. I think that is what effectively, in my very surface level reckoning, comes out. I don't think there is malfeasance involved. I just think it is too fast of a growth in a highly regulated industry.
From the consumers who have invested in Paytm, have believed in the future of the payment industry of India, for them it's a blow. So what it actually gives us as a perspective is, while the fintech revolution in India has happened, while the UPI revolution in India has happened, there's several compliance and regulatory checks and balances that still needs to be ticked off for us to stay in that big league and become the fintech hub that we want to propose to.
Paytm has responded, assuring it will comply with RBI's demands at the earliest. With Nabila Jamal, Bureau Report, India Today.